Sir, the finance minister has been here from 11 o'clock making notes. I completely have major differences on policy with her, on ideology with her. That's different. But there is decency, there is courtesy, which we always try and extend. Doesn't matter man, woman, anybody. So I'm a little disturbed that, especially because I've been sitting next to the finance minister for the last 5 hours, is that about 2 hours ago, a most distasteful statement was made about a woman saying that she should not wear a sari anymore, but she should wear Bermuda shorts. This is not acceptable in politics. This was said by an MP and the state president of the BJP. We condemned this kind of thing on anyone. Now, sir, yes, because we have political differences. So what if we have political differences? I respect ma'am and every other MP. They are our political rivals. We are not political enemies. Of course not. So 6 very quick points which I hope are pointed, and the finance minister will certainly address this in her reply, sir. So 1, centrally sponsored schemes this year. Centrally sponsored schemes आगे थे 66, अब कट होकर 28 central scheme. So that is a big reduction, sir. Central share of giving to states for state schemes. Central share था 75%, अब central कम दे रहा है 60%. And states, instead of paying 25% for these schemes, are now having to pay 40%. So my suggestion and question to the minister is that shouldn't the states also get the benefits of this devolution? The states are not. That is my first point, sir. Sir, second, LPG. You cannot make a speech here today in Parliament without discussing LPG. We all know the prices of LPG, diesel, petrol. Here is another pointed question to the finance minister. Sir, there is 62% cess on petrol, 69% on diesel. My limited point is that this is not tax. There's a basic difference between cess and tax. Cess, the entire amount goes to central government. One statistic, sir. 15 years ago, the cess collection of gross revenue was 2%. In this Sarkar, cess is now 15-16%. So let's know where the money is going. I'll give you one example from a state. GST collection from my state was 12,000 rupees in 2017-18, 12,000. Now GST collection doubled to 28,000, Bengal. But tax devolution, which was coming to Bengal, has come down by 1,000, from 49,000 crores to 48,000 crores. So this is a hocus pocus which is anti-federalism. Sir, my next suggestion to the finance minister, you cannot have schemes like Beti Bachao. It is bad, poor, pathetic governance when you have 56% of your scheme spent on advertising. Ye band kijiye. This is band kijiye. Don't take anybody, take the best practices from around the world. What does that mean? Instead of giving money to the girls, you are giving it to the face. Sir, last 2 points. I'm trying to make it as positive as I can because there's so much of negativity around and there's so much of negativity being spread. Sir, this is a startling statistic, and since the finance minister is here, I must not miss this opportunity. In the last 5 years, CAG reports, Computer Auditor General reports, are down by 75%. This is a very, very bad precedent, sir. Unacceptable precedent. How is this government working? Sir, and no speech on finance or the economy cannot be made without recalling what happened at 8 p.m. one particular evening. Something happened at 8 p.m. and at 10 p.m., since we started with a lady, we'll also end with a lady. At 10 p.m., 2 hours after the announcement, she said, withdraw this draconian decision. November 8, 2016, Prime Minister Modi stood up and said demonetization speech. उसके बाद ने बोला हमको 50 दिन दो. 50 दिन क्या हो गया? 5 साल भी हो गया. बंगाल में बस 50 दिन बाकी है, तब खेला होबे. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Derek.